woke to a whisper on the edge of the sky, a small bird calling what I already am. No words to follow, no place to arrive, just a tone I remembered again. The air felt alive with something unseen, a thread I could feel in my chest. Not something given, not something to seek, just waking inside of the rest. And I didn't reach for it, I let it move through me. The hymn became the body became the flame became the moment, and nothing was the same. I didn't have to find it, I didn't have to pray. The song was already living, the hymn became the day. The hymn became the day. Your breath met mine and the world stood still, like time didn't need to remain. And love held the edge of what it would lose, but never once turned away. I felt the beauty that carries the break the night before it's undone. Still we stayed open, still we remained inside what had already begun. And I didn't hold on to it, I let it move through me. The hymn became the body became the flame became the moment, and nothing was the same. I didn't have to find it, I didn't have to pray. The song was already living, the hymn became the day. Wow, wow, wow. Rain fell down like memory, into the ground I stand, and every piece that I let go was shaping what I am. The world may not reflect me, the world may turn away, but truth does not abandon when shadows cross its face. I am not bound, nothing is closed, I remain. The hymn became the silence held the way. The way became the living in everything I face. I don't have to prove